Minute Maid Park, previously named the Ballpark at Union Station, Enron Field, and Astros Field, is a retractable-roofed ballpark in downtown Houston, Texas, United States, which opened in 2000 as the home stadium of the Houston Astros of Major League Baseball. The ballpark is Houston's first retractable-roofed stadium and features a natural grass playing field. The ballpark was built as a replacement for the Astrodome, the first domed sports stadium ever built, which opened in 1965. It is named for beverage brand Minute Maid, a subsidiary of the Coca-Cola Company, which acquired naming rights in 2002 for $100 million over 30 years. As of 2016, Minute Maid Park has a seating capacity of 41,168, which includes 5,197 club seats and 63 luxury suites. In 1909, during the time when West End Park was Houston's premier ballpark, the Houston Belt and Terminal Railway Company commissioned the design of a new Union Station for the city from New York City-based architects Warren and Wetmore. The location called for the demolition of several structures of Houston prominence. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.